So once again, welcome back on this YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to take a quick review about Cherish OS. So this is Asus Gen 4 Max Pro M1 device, and now this is Android 12 running on the device. So this is the Android version, you can check over here, and the Cherish version is 3.1. So the SE Linux status you can see it is enforcing over here, and the Cherish OS that is purely based on AOSP. So this is Android open source project, and the kernel that we can see on this custom ROM is Atom XEAS that you can see over here, and the build number is 3.1. That is Cherish version. So this is Android 12, and we can find a lot of customization over here. So if we talk about the customization and the performance, as of now I did not find any bug over here. Then we have a location option and the wallpaper style, that is a new look in Android 12. So this is the wallpaper setting, and here how it looks like, and the new Android 12 wallpapers also added in this section that you can apply over here. And we have a live wallpaper also available that are something like a stock pixel wallpaper. And then we have a wallpaper colors and the basic color option that we can choose and apply on the clocks, that you can see how it looks like on the lock screen. Then we have a dark theme also available that we can apply from this section, and then we have a themed icon that are also present. So right now I will apply the dark theme that you can check over here. And we also have one more option, and the camera is also working fine over here. Then we have a widget section, and from here we can apply the widget. So this is the Android 12. So this is the Android 12 clock, and from here we can apply the clock widget that looks very beautiful and personalize the home screen of the Android 12. So this is the analog clock that we can apply from here, and if we apply the white theme, it looks something different. We can also adjust the size of this widget. This is the lock screen. The fingerprint also works very well and fine. And in the setting option, that this is the Cherish settings, and here we can see a lot of customization that we can play with, like clock settings is here. From here we can enable the AM or PM size. Then we have a traffic indicator that we can apply from this setting either in a status bar or an expanded header. So I can apply right now on a status bar, and we can also choose dynamic or download or upload link individually, but right now I will select a download option. And we can also adjust the font size over here for the network traffic display. Multiple option to select the VoLTE icon, like that is a VoLTE Asus icon. Then we have a HD icon, then HD cap icon over here, then MIUI, EMUI. So we have a lot of VoLTE icons that we can apply from this section. Then we have a quick setting option that you can find over here, and then we have a power menu. From here we can apply advanced reboot and other options like a screenshot. Then we have a miscellaneous option that is not yet. We can see the media art option and the music visualizer options that are available. We can apply from here to activate this music visualizer on the lock screen, like automatic color or the loud. Then here are the settings that we can apply and choose from, like notification settings. Now if we talk about the personalization and the customization, then these are the menu and the options that are available that we can apply and choose from. And there is a button option. So this is all about the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.